Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
89 IPC. 89 IPC. Nothing is an offense which is done in good faith and for the benefit of the child below 12 years of age or an unusual mind person by the consent of the guardian. According to 89 IPC, if a surgery is done below the age of 12 years of age or in a person with mentally ill person, if this is done with the consent of the guardian, then it is not an offense. Child more than 12 years of age can give consent for a general physical examination but not for invasive procedures. A child more than 12 years can give consent for examination but he cannot give consent for invasive procedures like surgeries. 90 IPC 90 IPC consent given by 12 years age or insane person or by fear or by fraud is invalid. So 90 IPC any consent given by fraud, insane person, fear or less than 12 years of age is invalid. 92 IPC in 92 IPC act done in good faith and for the good benefit of the person or the guardian in a situation when taking the consent from person or guardian is not possible, like in emergencies. So 92 IPC is in emergencies. For example, in 92 IPC, if the patient if there is an accident, road traffic accident, and a person has come to the emergency department and there is no guardian or there is no one who can give consent for the patient and the patient is unconscious and an emergency surgery should be done to save the life of the patient. In such conditions the doctor can do surgery under 92 IPC because in this that surgery is done in good faith and for the benefit of the person, but in order to take the consent, guardian or person or the patient is not, it is not possible to take the consent either from guardian or person. So this is 92 IPC. 92 IPC is act done in good faith and for the benefit of the person or the guardian in a situation where taking the consent from the person and guardian is not possible. 93 IPC 93 IPC includes communication done in good faith is not an offense.
thank you and thank you for watching.